just 25 minutes of the author talking about that particular subject. So they've taken their core content and created these new products. They're not books, but new products, and really creating new revenue streams of their core content. So really, are you providing a book, or are you really providing the content? So if you look at just the overall trends, I mean, E is really growing. I mean, if you look at Google as a barometer of interest in the world, if you look on the ebook searches, it's actually doubled over the last 4 years. So that's pretty exciting. I mean, here on the reference side, if you look at where people do research, online is way over print. So it is the trend, the tipping point is happening. You know, it's really, this, I think a lot of people have seen this, and, the numbers really don't matter, it's the curve. That's the tipping point curve, we believe. So once that tipping point happens, are you guys ready to actually capture that opportunity? And we at Impulsus, what we're trying to do is, this is great, there's more people coming in. What we're trying to do is actually get you guys ready for, give you the infrastructure to build that one-on-one relationship with your end users. So, all of this has just been, you as the publisher need to actually give what your customer expects. One, it's the type of content. It has to be interactive, so it could be audio, video, animations. Two, it has to be participative. I mean, I think in Bob Stein's keynote speech, he also talked about actually the author and the readers interacting. And we believe that is the future. We're building technologies, and it's really exciting, some of the things that we are doing under the covers for not this year, but next year, on how to actually leverage these community kind of aspects of content. I think, the ebook we're talking about, and there's a lot of noise about ebooks. I believe ebooks is in really the first initial stage. I mean, I was talking to someone at Gilbane this morning, and if you want to put a parallel, think about video games. And I think everyone will be familiar because we're all mature adults here. Space Invaders. Who's played Space Invaders? Think about ebooks today as Space Invaders. That was in the 1980s. It was one-dimensional. You had a cursor that goes, you could control it right or left, and you shot the aliens coming down straight up. Now look at where video games is today. Through the Xbox, interactive, virtual reality, you can go in the war games where you're really literally going into a zone. So ebooks, I believe, is where Space Invaders is today. But I think as you change and make it interactive, think of it as not as a book, but content. And really leverage that asset. The other aspects of it is cost. Actually selling the content not as full books, but parts of it, as a chapter, as a series, access per hour. Yesterday's tutorial, actually, one of the speakers talked about, he's an educational publisher, where they're getting spikes in demands is during the school year, during exam season, there's tremendous amounts of chapter sales. So it's really, you've got to cut it up and have different costs, different business models or payment models for the cost. And finally, having it available anywhere and anytime. So those are the trends. There is, this whole push, and there's this certain, I think, a tipping point that's happening, but there are challenges, and I think that's the big thing. It's how do you actually get started? And we see so many publishers. We've talked to publishers, and we're still talking to them. And it's amazing how you've got leaders who actually take risks and laggards who talk and talk and talk, and it takes time for them to actually just do something. And I always push and just say, give it a try, because what we've seen, 99% of the time, when they do give it a try, it just grows. It just grows, and it continues to grow. And that's how our relationships have been with our publishers. It starts with one small thing, and they see new ways to actually deliver their content. So the challenges are, we talk about the different types of, end user and vehicles of,